Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Did you know we know more about the surface of Mars than we do about the deepest parts of our own oceans? Down in the crushing darkness, where sunlight never reaches, live some of the most bizarre and otherworldly creatures you could ever imagine. Today, we're diving deep to uncover 5 of the absolute weirdest animals lurking in the abyss. So, strap in, because things are about to get strange. First up, let's talk about the goblin shark. This thing is pure nightmare fuel. It has a long, flattened snout, and its jaw can literally shoot forward to snatch prey. It looks less like a fish and more like something out of a sci-fi horror movie. Living in deep waters around the world, this living fossil has barely changed in millions of years, proving that if your design is freaky enough, it works. Next, we have the barrel-eye fish, also known as a spookfish. This creature's head is completely transparent. You can literally see its brain and internal organs. But the weirdest part, its eyes are 2 green, barrel-shaped orbs that are inside its head, constantly looking upwards through its clear dome to spot the shadows of prey above. When it finds a snack, its eyes rotate forward as it moves in for the kill. It's like a living submarine with a see-through cockpit. Moving on to a creature that looks like it's from another planet, the sea pig. Despite the name, it's actually a type of sea cucumber. These pink, squishy blobs scuttle along the deep sea floor on tube-like legs, vacuuming up organic muck from the mud. They often travel in large herds, creating a truly surreal scene on the otherwise barren ocean bottom. They're both kind of cute and deeply unsettling at the same time. Have you ever seen the Christmas tree that lives underwater? Well, meet the Christmas tree worm. These festive-looking creatures are marine worms with 2 brightly colored, spiral-shaped crowns that look exactly like tiny Christmas trees. These trees are actually complex breathing and feeding structures that the worm uses to filter food from the water. They are incredibly sensitive, and if you get too close, they'll retract into their coral burrows in the blink of an eye. Finally, we have the undisputed king of weird, the blobfish. Voted the world's ugliest animal, the blobfish gets a bad rap. In its natural deep-sea habitat, under immense pressure, it looks like a fairly normal fish. But when brought to the surface, the rapid pressure change causes its gelatinous body to decompress into that famous, droopy, sad-looking blob. It's a great reminder that these deep-sea creatures are perfectly adapted to their extreme environment, and it's us who are the aliens down there. And there you have it, 5 of the most mind-bendingly weird creatures from the deep ocean. From see-through heads to projectile jaws, the abyss is full of wonders that challenge our understanding of life itself. It just goes to show how much we still have to explore on our own planet. What's the weirdest ocean creature you've ever heard of? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the bizarre, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another adventure into the unknown. See you next time.